Hey there, Business Mind fam. Are you ready to take your project ideas from maybe to definitely? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we're going to master the art of feasibility studies for business in just 10 simple steps. Whether you're starting a new venture or expanding an existing one, conducting a proper feasibility study is the key to making informed decisions and ensuring success. So grab a notebook and your favorite pen because we're about to dive into the world of smart business planning. Let's get started. Welcome to the first step of mastering feasibility studies for your business. Before embarking on any project, it is crucial to have a clear roadmap in mind. Defining the project scope and objectives lays the foundation for a successful feasibility study. Start by outlining the specific goals you want to achieve with your project. What problem will it solve? Who is your target audience? Next, set clear objectives, the measurable outcomes you expect to attain. Be specific and realistic about the results you anticipate. Understanding your project's purpose and intended impact is essential for conducting a focused feasibility study. It will guide you in gathering relevant data, evaluating potential risks, and making informed decisions moving forward. Now that you have a clear vision of your project scope and objectives, it is time to dive into the exciting world of market research. Understanding your target market and customers is crucial for the success of any business endeavor. Start by analyzing your target market, who they are, what they need, and their preferences. Identify the pain points your product or service can address. This valuable insight will shape your offering to meet their demands effectively. Gathering data on the demand for your product or service is essential. Is there a need in the market for what you're offering? Are there existing competitors? If so, study their strengths and weaknesses to find opportunities for differentiation. Welcome to the technical realm of feasibility studies. In this step, we will explore the critical aspect of assessing the technical feasibility of your project. Consider the required technology and infrastructure for your business idea. Are the necessary tools, equipment, or software readily available? Evaluate if your project's technical needs align with the current resources at your disposal. In cases where the technology or infrastructure is not readily available, research alternative options and their associated costs. Will it be feasible to acquire or implement these technologies within your budget and timeline? By assessing technical feasibility, you ensure that your project is realistically achievable from a technological standpoint. It helps prevent unexpected roadblocks during the implementation phase and allows for proactive planning. Now it is time to put on our financial analyst hats and delve into the economic feasibility of your business venture. In this step, we will analyze the financial aspects of your project, starting with the initial investment. Identify all the costs involved in getting your business up and running. This includes expenses like equipment, materials, labor, marketing, and any other operational costs. Next, calculate the potential return on investment. Estimate your projected revenue and compare it with the initial investment. Assess how long it would take to break even and when your business is expected to turn a profit. Additionally, consider other financial factors like cash flow, operating expenses, and potential risks that may impact your project's financial stability. Evaluating economic feasibility is crucial as it determines whether your project is financially viable and sustainable in the long run. It helps you make informed decisions about funding, pricing, and financial strategies to ensure the success of your business. In this step, we will navigate the world of laws and regulations to ensure your business ideas complies with all relevant legal requirements. Identify permits, licenses, zoning restrictions, healthy and safety standards, and any other obligations specific to your project. Non-compliance can lead to severe consequences, including fines or legal disputes, potentially jeopardizing your business success. Stay updated on industry-specific regulations and consider seeking legal counsel if needed. By examining the legal and regulatory feasibility, you will safeguard your business legality and reputation, giving it a solid foundation to thrive in a compliant and ethical manner. So let's unravel the legal complexities and pave the way for a business venture that stands on solid legal ground. We are halfway there, Business Mind fam. How's the feasibility planning coming along? Have you made good progress on the ideation of what to do? Remember, taking the time to assess all aspects of your idea will pay off big time in the end. Drop a quick comment below. and let us know how you're doing with your feasibility plan. Don't be shy, we're all in this together. Welcome to the heart of your business internal assessment. In this step, we will evaluate the organizational feasibility of your project. Assess your organization's resources, including human capital, skills, and expertise. Do you have the right team in place to execute the project successfully? Identify any gaps and determine if additional hiring or training is necessary. Next, evaluate the existing capabilities and infrastructure. Are your current systems and processes equipped to handle the demands of the new project? Consider the scalability of your organization to accommodate growth. Understanding your organization's strengths and limitations is vital for effective project execution. It enables you to allocate resources efficiently, set realistic timelines, and identify potential bottlenecks. By evaluating organizational feasibility, you ensure that your business has the capacity to bring your project to fruition. It lays the groundwork for seamless implementation and sets the stage for a successful venture. In this step, we will put sustainability and social responsibility under the spotlight. It is essential to consider the broader impact your project may have on the environment and the community. Start by conducting a thorough analysis of the potential environmental consequences of your business activities. Are there any risks to natural resources, habitats, or emissions? Identify ways to minimize the ecological footprint and promote eco-friendly practices. Next, examine the social implications of your project. Consider how it will affect the local community, stakeholders, and employees. Assess any potential positive or negative impacts and develop strategies to enhance social well-being. By analyzing environmental and social impact, you ensure that your business operates ethically and responsibly. Embracing sustainability and fostering positive community relationships can enhance your brand reputation and attract consensuous consumers. In this step, we will put on our risk management hats and prepare for the unexpected. It is time to identify potential risks and challenges that could pose a threat to the success of your project. Start by conducting a comprehensive risk assessment. Identify internal and external risks that could impact your business, such as financial risks, market fluctuations, or unforeseen events. Once you have identified the risks, it is essential to develop effective mitigation strategies. Consider how you can minimize the impact of each risk on your project. This might involve contingency plans, insurance coverage, or diversifying your business approach. Remember, identifying risk and implementing mitigation strategies is a crucial aspect of feasibility studies. It demonstrates prudent planning and positions your business for resilience and success in an ever-changing landscape. Way to go! We have reached near the culmination of our feasibility study journey. In this step, we'll bring all the pieces together and present a comprehensive report on our findings. Compile all the information gathered throughout the feasibility study, market research data, financial analysis, technical assessments, legal considerations, and more. Organize this wealth of information into a clear and concise report. Next, it is time to make well-informed recommendations based on our analysis. Should a project proceed as planned? Are there any modifications needed to increase its chances of success? Or should we consider abandoning the idea if the feasibility study shows significant obstacles? Be transparent and objective in your recommendations, considering both the potential benefit and risks. Remember, this report will be the foundation for critical decision-making, so accuracy and clarity are paramount. Don't forget, summarizing findings and making recommendations is the final step in turning your vision into reality. It empowers you and your stakeholders to make educated choices, ensuring that your business venture is on a path to prosperity. Congratulations! We have arrived at the final step, the moment of truth. In this critical phase, we will use the insights gathered from our feasibility study to make an informed decision about the project's future. Carefully review the comprehensive report and recommendations presented in the feasibility study. Analyze the potential benefits, risk, and alignment with your business goals. Consider the financial viability, market demand, and organizational capacity. Based on this analysis, it is time to make the ultimate decision, whether to proceed with the project, modify the plan based on the study's insights, or reconsider altogether. Remember, a feasibility study serves as a blueprint for success. By making an informed decision and leveraging the study's insights, you set the stage for a well-thought-out and strategic project execution. And there you have it, fellow business minds. We have explored the 10 essential steps to master feasibility studies for your ventures. If you found this video helpful and insightful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to join the Business Mind community. We'll be sharing more valuable tips, tricks, and knowledge to help you thrive in the world of business. So stay tuned for more exciting content. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, feel free to leave a comment down below. Business Mind would love to hear from you. Thank you for being part of the Business Mind journey. Remember, with the right feasibility study in hand, you are equipped to make smart and strategic decisions that lead to remarkable success. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep expanding that business mind.